Hi, I'm Blaine Zook. I run Kuzuk Consulting. I'm a project manager, management consultant, and a really nice guy. Cool tech, you're gonna laugh. I still love my BlackBerry 9900. It sits in my pocket. It does my basic email, my phone, but I recently acquired an iPhone 6 Plus, which I really hated for the first couple days. It's a big tablet, so I actually don't even have it as a phone. I call it my mini tablet, and I'm starting to get used to it. I'm starting to like some of the features, so that's my newest technology. Yeah, I've started taking the bus downtown recently, so looking at the bus apps, that's something new to me. Starting to use the Google Word on the iPhone, so really technology in the iPhone in the phone sense is pretty new to me. I've been using the BlackBerry with the Facebook and WhatsApp until they started removing all those features. So now I'm just down to a phone, email, text, and the BlackBerry. But I'm starting to use more of the iPhone, some of the apps, still playing with them. Well, I do have a notebook, which is, I still defer to paper and pen quite often. Probably Google is my biggest go-to. You know, the Google Docs, Google Calendar, I make notes in Calendar. So that's been my default. I was probably an early adopter, but didn't really use it fully until I found out, well, that's really the most productive way for me. I'm one of those where I didn't want to give my information away to a third party, so I had my own email service, and it was good, but I had to synchronize, and just Google makes it so easy. So that's my go-to, but I'm still cautious what I put on there and what I share out. LinkedIn and Twitter are my go-to favorites. I do have Facebook for both my private life as well as my professional speak, Blaine Speaks. So I use that a little bit. I'm starting to put more content on it. I have too many websites. I have Kuzuk Consulting, which is my professional company site. Blaine Speaks, which I promote my professional speaking and coaching business. So those are the two main ones, and a few personal blogs that I'm ramping up a little bit and I share with family. I am looking at building up a more professional blog right now, which has content about team development, employee engagement, and just keeping a positive attitude. Well, right now, my challenge, I'm starting to look for a customer relationship management system. So there's, like, Insightly is one I've been playing with. I've been using, again, go back to my Google contact sheet, that's what I've been using. Wunderlist, so now that I've been using Wunderlist on an app, I'm really appreciating that technology. If there was one that doesn't exist yet, probably for my car parts, all the different cars I have on the go and repairs, I find different pieces for car parts and lists, and I'm trying to mesh them all together. Something that takes the calendar and keeps my list and contacts according to calendar, I think by terms of dates and times. So if I can mash it all into Google Calendar or another app that pulls it up by date rather than search word, that would probably be the big one. Oh, area of expertise versus my professional job. I really love professional speaking, teaching, and even on a professional basis as a project manager, change manager, if I can engage somebody and see the lights go on, like, oh, that's how you do it. That really gets me jazzed up. My background is in diagnostic imaging, electronic medical records. So for years, I was out there training clinicians, and always a little bit nervous of technology, especially in a hospital environment. So if you can show an application that actually has use, that gets me jazzed up. I hate technology that's pushed out by a vendor, and oh, you need this, when in reality you know it's not adding any value to the workflow. It's really slowing them down more than anything. So I guess effective use of technology, that would be what I really zone in on. If you can find technology and you use it to really be productive, that gets me excited. Well, what people maybe don't know about me is that I've lived on a ranch for the last 20 years. So I've not had high-speed internet all my life. I did my MBA through Athabasca University, and a lot of it was synchronizing, on a USB fob from work, come home and do it. But I think I have a really good blend of working with animals, technology, like taking time for nature, and then when you engage technology, you put it to use the way it should be. So I don't use technology as a social play toy. Like, I don't sit down and spend hours on Facebook or just browsing. When I engage technology, I really want it to work for me. Put it to work, use it, and then when I disconnect, I'm off. People get mad at me because when I go home on Friday, my cell phone goes on the desk and I don't look at it again, and they forget I have a landline or email that I'll check. But I love technology, but I love to disconnect from it too. So being on a farm and technology, it's a little bit of a strange blend at times, but it makes me unique in a lot of ways, and I love it.